Hello everyone. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. 7 best ways to naturally whiten yellow teeth at home. We all dream of having a perfect Hollywood smile. However, not everyone can afford to go to the dentist to have their teeth whitened. Here are the super effective ways to naturally whiten your teeth at home without destroying your enamel. Number 1. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is one of the easiest and most inexpensive ways to naturally whiten your teeth. Crush up 1 charcoal tablet into a powder. Dip your clean wet toothbrush into it, and brush your teeth as you normally do. Number 2. Powdered milk and toothpaste. Powdered milk will help to make your teeth pearly white and keep them healthy. Put some toothpaste on your toothbrush, add a bit of powdered milk on top of it, and brush your teeth. Number 3. Baking soda and lemon juice. Put a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush, and add a few drops of lemon juice over it to get a set of shining teeth. Remember not to use this whitening method more frequently than once a week. Number 4. Hydrogen peroxide. Before using hydrogen peroxide, make sure that your teeth aren't too sensitive. If everything is fine, simply dip a cotton swab into the peroxide, and gently rub your teeth. Number 5. Sea salt, lemon juice, and toothpaste. Mix half a teaspoon of sea salt and some freshly squeezed lemon juice with a small amount of toothpaste in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your teeth, and leave it on for a minute before rinsing your mouth thoroughly. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar and water. Dilute half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Rinse your mouth with this solution every morning before brushing your teeth. Number 7. Strawberry. Take a ripe strawberry, and mash it up with a spoon. Brush your teeth with this paste for a few minutes to get rid of yellow stains. Watch our other healthy tips videos below and find out 7 foods that destroy a healthy heart. Feel free to share our videos to other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.